Oh, and we're in at last. Oh, and it feels like a reasonable one. Yeah, bring. Oh, yes. Splashing well. Looks like a 3 or 4 pounder. Yes. Worth the wait. Come on, baby. Don't ping me now. Oh yeah, that's a lovely fish. In the bag. Got a nasty scar on his side. It might even be the pox. We'll soon see. Landing pad out. Oh, there we go. Oh, yes, that's a beautiful fish. And unhook him. We swallowed that. There we go. Whoop, nearly lost him. Just a real quick look, Rob. How about that? Waiting all day for one fish. Got a bit of a pox mark there on its side, but about 3.5. Lovely fish. Go on, girlie. Oh yes, yes. Yep, we're in now. Oh, come on. Not sure what it is yet, but it's having a row. Oh. And we're in. Nothing too big, I don't think. But the first fish after lunch. Not sure what it is yet. It's a rudd by the looks of it. Yeah, it's a small rudd, or small for this place. There's another one in the bag. Nothing spectacular, but it's a start again. You know, I'm pretty much out in front of me at the moment, so I'm looking for a downward pull. Like that. Yes, and we're in. That feels a little bit better. No idea what it could be just yet. If it makes a bolt for the reeds, it's probably a crucian. It is a small in the bag. Again, only a small one for this place. Old-fashioned worm maggot. just had a £5 golden tench. This could be another good one, but they do fight well in here. Here we go, it's coming up. It's an ordinary tench. These are 2 a penny in here, but there's still a very good row on the light tackle. And I promised you some action on the float, Rob. I hope you like that. I'm going to be going and doing some carping later on today. The sun's out. There's only 3 of us fishing the lake today. There we go. That's about average size for here. 1.5 pound bottom, 4 pound main. Literally just casting and something took the tip of the rod right round. I think he's probably had the bait off. I'm going to give it, no, it's still there. It's still there. Here we go. No, missed him. Or have I? No, there's something on. Oh, now it knows it's on. Another bait robbing little rod, I expect. I'm just going to hand this one in. If I can get him up. There we are. I hope you can see that. I hope I'm hiding it in the right place. Just nicely hooked in the top lip. Little rod there. There we go. Okay, attempt number 5 to try and get some more rod action. I've missed a couple of bites, so I've shotted the tip of the float right down this time. I'm fishing about 9 foot of water at a rod length and a half out towards the aerator here. There's a slight lift on the float. There we go, it's going down. Yes, and we're in. Yeah, another one, a little one. Nothing too big, I don't think, mate. I'm going to try and probably hand this one in. Yeah, a little bait robbing perch this time. As you could probably see, all being well. They are a pain, the little perch, but hey ho. Well, I'm trying to video this on my own, and the float's just gone under, and we're in. Oh, nothing too big, I don't think. No, nothing like what it's been the rest of the day. Feels quite small. I hope you can see what's going on. It looks like a small rudd. Yeah, just another small rudd. Oh, bumped him at the net. And it's in the bag. Hope you like that. I'm going to try it again and see what happens. Like I said, just a small one, look. Just a small rudd. Okay mate, here's a quick look at my setup. Obviously I've got my Drennan float rod out. You probably won't be able to see it, but I'm on a size 18 hook to 1 pound 4 ounce link to a 3 pound 2 main line. Loose feed in red maggot, small krill pellet, ground bait mix there of brown crumb, small fish meal pellet, dead maggot, bag of dendrobina for hook bait, small pieces of luncheon meat for hook bait, Crafty Carper's mussel soft hookables, and of course the good old Sonobaits krill soft pellets for the slightly larger fish. Been going very well. I can't believe how much stuff I've had out today, and I'll catch up with you again at the end of the day when I send it all through to you. Have a good one. Okay mate, here we go. 20 minutes of fishing and just a few small rudd. How's that? Absolutely brilliant. Oh. I don't know if you can see that, Rob, but that's a double plus carp cruising around where I've been feeding for the rudd. I'm going to try and follow him down. The light's not very good, I hope you can see that. That is absolutely incredible. What a magnificent fish. You got to come here, mate. With my little 18 hook, I'm not even going to bother trying. More to follow. Okay mate, I've got to use video because I don't think the camera's going to be bright enough. So I'm going to have a go. Are you ready for this? Mr. Bob, the guy that doesn't do carp fishing.